Jesus sent his disciples to announce the gospel. These disciples were happy to shed their blood to reveal God's love for the humanity. To be a missionary is to be minor and to surrender. Witness, offer oneself totally with one's strengths, abilities, gifts, and most of all, the precious life one is blessed with. The seven Franciscan missionaries of Mary, who had an immense desire to open their lives to the Spirit of God, answered entirely to his call. They were sent to China, where they broke themselves in order to give life. Let us listen to their hopes and aspirations, joys and sorrows, and the life that awaited these seven martyrs, whom Blessed Mary of the Passion addresses as seven joys and seven sorrows. Without any hesitation, I give you my answer yes. I entered the institute with the ardent desire and conviction to go. I await this moment, ready to leave for the field where obedience calls me, without distinction for countries or works. I am so very grateful that you have given me China as my destination. Surely sacrifices will not be lacking. They are needed to accomplish the work of God. May Jesus help me in this new way He lays out before me. I am ready for all with the grace of God. How much longer before our departure? I desire it so much. The days seem so long. Patience, the moment will come. When leaving Europe, we will set out for distinct countries to carry the faith. I no longer sleep. I am so happy. I have not mentioned this grace. Ask that I become a saint, doing always whatever is the good pleasure of Jesus. Once the cross is planted, the harvest is good. Today, I can say that I have already tasted the trials of missionary life. However, I do not regret having left France for China, and I would not change my condition for the richest crown in the world. The will of God. Yes, the will of God, whatever it costs. I prefer to be in a hole doing the will of God than a hill against His will. Let us be happy to accomplish the will of God and to suffer a little for Him. May the Divine Master give me the grace to draw my little ones to His love, but for that I must accomplish my mission of really being a victim for God and for souls. I am happy and content in China. I thank God each day for having given me this grace. Certainly, this loving God gives us a small share in His cross from time to time. Since I have a joyous character, the Chinese love me very much and show me their affection. Today, these missionaries invite each one of us to build a new world by responding to the need of the hour creatively, rejoicing at the progress of our brothers and sisters, embracing them, and sowing the seed of God's immense love for the humanity.